Start ng bird show. Oh, there. Ayan, dito. Yes. Ay! Dumang sa akin! Dumang sa ulo ko! Ay! Loko!
Hello, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome to Alliance Zoo. This is our oldest and the largest zoo in the UAE. Assalamu alaikum. I'm sure that you're very excited to see our bird show. Before the show begins, I'm going to explain a few safety rules which we need you to follow, and that is follow our security officer instructions. Do not eat or drink during the show. And the last, the bird might fly very close to you for your safety and for bird safety. Please don't raise your hand to touch the bird during the show. Are you ready for a bird show? Alright, let me begin the show with a famous bird in this country. Can anyone say which bird is the famous bird in this country? Falcon. Shaker falcon is our national bird of UAE. I'm gonna bring a big bird for you. And please be seated, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. And we are so excited to see our big bird. Oh wait. Falcons are the fastest flying bird in the world. They can fly up to 300 km per hour. Now, we are going to see the bird now. And your bird is going to come from that side. Yeah? There? Yeah. This is our Lulu, our Kester, smallest in the falcons family. Hi Lulu. He can fly up to 150 km per hour. And very noisy bird, like me. Thank you, Lulu. I gave 1 kg of meat. Wait. Alright, thank you, Lulu. Please. All the way back to home. Big hand. And now, have you heard any sound? Can anyone say what sound it is? Owl. Owl. Just look over there. That's our barn owl. We call Bani. He known to be as a silent flyers. When they fly, you cannot hear any sound. Look at his face. The face is beautiful shape of the heart shape. The silent hunter at the dark. Please silence. He's going to fly over your head. Shh. Shh. You cannot hear any sound. They have very soft feathers. Here we go. Bunny, waiting for taxi. Wait. Okay, here we go. Have you heard any sound? Shall we go for one more fly? Okay, let's go for one more fly. Here we go. You can find this bird anywhere in this country except Antarctica. And our beautiful barn owl is going to fly one more time, and one last time. Here we go. Please Bunny. Owls, they have a very good sense of hearing
Veteran
when
sila,
they
no?
find food at the dark. That you all, everyone know that they have a very good eyesight. And now, have you ever seen the bird is gonna hunt with a sense of hearing? He can find 10 times more than a human being. So I'm gonna try for this. Have you heard the sound? Okay. This is the cricket, the insect name called cricket, which is owls hunt when they don't find food. Here I'm gonna place it 2 boxes is here. And now you're gonna choose me which box can I keep it, left or right?
Left.
Your left or my left?
Your left.
My left, okay. Let's welcome our second barn owl is going to identify where it is. Listen carefully, the bird when they arrive, just turn around. Big hand for our bunny. Gentlemen, close your eyes. No cheating. Okay. I'm swapping the box.
Galing ah.
When the bird arrive, they will turn their head with satellite, like a satellite. They can sense their sound up to 50 feet.
يا رب ما تعب. لا لا.
Big hand for our bunny. Thank you so much, bunny. Yalla, thank you. Now you all understand that they can use their sense of hearing to hunt the... Assalamu alaikum, Shamsa. Assalamu alaikum. Shamsa, how are you today? How is your family? How is Haji? Or, yeah. Can I have a big hand? Big hand for Shamsa. Owls, what do they hunt? They follow. I'm going to show you, let's welcome our original sister of Shamsa. She's going to show the habits of owl. And now, I have a question. How many degrees do you think owls can rotate their head from left to right? 360? Will not die? 360. 360. 240. You are very close. 180. Alright. 270 is the right answer from left to right because all the bonds in the backside called vertebrae, which we human doesn't have, only owls have. Now we have a long meal with us. We're going to see the eating habits of owl. Ready? Let's go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Big hand. Our beautiful Najma. Do you want to see the superstar of our show? I can't hear you. Close your eyes. I will not show you. Do you want to see the superstar of our show? Check out your phone and camera ready. We are going to see our superstar of our show. And all is to focus there. There is something going to happen there. Here we go. The bird is from America. He not hears the balls of the sky. Hunt with the group like the balls. They are the meat-eater hunter. The Irish is 8 times more than a human being. They can travel in between the trees really fast. Any grabbing power of hands. Do you want to see one more? Yeah. We can hear you. One more?
Yeah.
Come back tomorrow at 6 o'clock, same time. Okay, do you want to see something exciting? This time I will not cheat you. Do you want to see something exciting?
Yes.
Okay, take yourself free and comfortable. And right now we are going to watch our eagle show. Eagles are very powerful birds. They have a strong beak and strong talons. For your own safety, I request you to remain in your seat and please do not stand or try to touch the bird during the show. The bird will fly over your head, children. Please be seated. The talons of the bird are very, very sharp and you will raise your hands. So, are you ready for our eagle show?
Yes.
Sit back and enjoy the shot.
Why
rabbits. And don't worry about the rabbit here. We have insurance at Alliance. Okay, hold your breath right now. We are going to watch our vulture segment. This is our hooded vulture, one of the smallest in the vultures family. The head is white color. When they get angry or agitated, they change their color to white to red. They are unafraid of humans. You can find them in the African villages also. There we go. What is this? What kind of egg is this? For knowledge. Elephant. Elephant. Deer? Okay. Anyone? Human? Okay, if you guess. Ostrich is the right answer. Which bird will eat the egg? Don't look at me. I will not eat. Which bird will eat the egg? Heavy for me. That food. You will eat? Good boy. Now let's welcome our Egyptian vulture, our Cleopatra. She loved to eat egg. If it is a big egg, they use tools to break the outer shell. They pick up the stones and throw it into the egg. Like this. They pick up the stones, throw it into the egg. Yeah, good girl. How many of you are shaking your head? There we go. Good. And now he's going to give her something challenging. He's exchanging the egg with chicken egg. Here we go. What's gonna now? Okay. Big hand, big hand for she loved to. She pick up the stone area or the grassy area. She throw it and smash it like this. She knows very well that she cannot break the soft area of the grassy area. Here we go. Now both of them are ready for a jogging. Haji, please, you two go to jogging. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Left, right, left. Don't stop there. Till you can move on to Jebel Afid. You can find this bird at Jebel Afid on the winter seasons. You can find them there. This one and the hooded vulture is the smallest one in the vultures family. And next, we are moving on to the highest flying bird in the world. Ready?
Yeah.
The highest bird.
Yeah.
Just look over there. This is our Ruppel's griffon vulture, the highest flying bird in the world. They can fly up to 37,000 feet above from the sea level. Look at the beaks. The beaks are very strong. They can break. They don't have a feathers till neck due to antibacterial. They don't have a feathers till neck. Aggressive vulture from Africa. The wings are 2.7 meter long. Oftenly you are hearing about the flight crashes or the plane crashes because of this kind of bird. We are getting the crashes. They can equally fly to the flights. They can fly up to 37,000 feet above from the sea level, including flight. Do you want to see the largest vulture in the world?
Yeah.
I can't hear you.
Yeah.
And what about you? Largest vulture and the biggest bird and the last bird in our show. Let's go to Haji. What's the bird? From there? Aywa. I think from there. Huh? Look over there. It's there. That's a leopard-faced vulture. Aggressive vulture from Africa. He's also known as African king vulture or a Nubian vulture. The specialty of the bird is when they spread, the wingspan is 3 meters long. You're going to see the wingspan very shortly. Look at his beaks. The beaks are very, very strong. They can break through a water buffalo skin. Aggressive vulture from Africa. You know why they call leopard-faced vulture? There is a small fold here in the neck. That's why they call leopard-faced vulture. He can hold up to 13 pounds of food, around 6 kg of meat on his probes and gizzards. You are going to see the wingspan right now. He's going to open his wings now for you. Ready, Azhar? Our lapid face vulture. Good landing. Can I have a big hand for our lapid face vulture and the trailer? Thank you, Azhar. Thank you, Haji, for participating. Thank you so much for watching our bird show. Can I have a big hand for our bird show? Thank you so much once again. Have a wonderful day. Masalama. Good night and bye-bye.
Service namin, oh. Ganda ng service natin, oh. Kakaiba talaga. Diyan ako sa likod, siyempre. Okay, sakay na po. Okay. Yes, I'm here. Kangirita kung tagwanan ng lalamo sa ngipin ko.
You can see something behind the lion.
It's the lady lion. It's the mother lion.
Erika, over. Oh, it's so big. Ay, dalawa sila.
Where's the other one? I am. Kaya pala, I can see something behind the lion. Dalawa sila.
Mataas ang hairline niya din. Matanda na siya.
Dapat may bangs.
Take a selfie.
Yay. Yay. Take a selfie with the lion. Yan, Erika.
Erika, look at there.
Yay.
Kagirita niyan, taga mananilin.
20.
Ano look at mo?
Mommy's coming, wait. Mommy will sit there.
Mommy,